Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. This is part 3 of multiple choice paper 1, number 12, February March 2024. In the previous two parts, we finished until question 29 or 30. No, sorry, I guess until 19, yeah, until 20, sorry. Okay, so now we're going to start from 21. Okay, question 21 says, which process causes a sound wave to produce an echo? Remember, if you are standing in front of a wall or maybe a building, okay, or any barrier, okay, you make a sound, so the sound will go here, will hit the barrier and will come back again, and that's how we hear the echo. So basically this is reflection, okay, reflection of sound wave. Okay, so option C. Question 22, it says a student stands 75 meters from a wall and makes a short loud sound by tapping two pieces of wood together. Okay, what is the approximate time between making the sound and the student hearing the echo? Okay, so here, let me change the color here. Okay, so the sound will go, okay, I'm gonna use this, okay, and come back, right? So it needs a time to go and a time to come back. Okay, in order to find that time, we know in general that V equal D over T. So if I want that time, it is distance over speed, right? The distance is 75. If we take the speed of sound, for example, 330 or maybe 300. No, I'll take a 300 actually. It's going to be 1 over 4, right? Second. This is the time for one distance, okay, but remember it should go back again, so the total time total, okay, is going to be the 1 over 4 multiple 2, which equals, which gives me, this is 2 by the way, which gives me half, or 0.5 second. Okay, so it is option B. Okay. Okay, so now question 23, what do they want? They say in question 3, which statement is always true? Always true. Okay, this is about, okay, in a magnetic material attracts a non-magnetic material. No, this is not correct. A magnetic material repels another magnetic material. No, it's not always true. In C, they say a magnetic material attracts another magnetic material if one of them is magnetized. If one of them, yes, correct. If one of them is magnetized, okay, this is possible. Let's check D. A non-magnetic material repels another non-magnetic. No, actually they don't. Okay, so it's option C. Okay. Question 24, they say a polythene rod is charged by friction. Okay, the polythene rod becomes negatively charged. Okay, which statement is correct? The rod gain electron. Let's remember, only electrons moves. Okay, remember, protons never move. Positive charge never move. Okay, so option C and D directly they are wrong. Okay, so do the rod gains or loses electrons? Since it became negatively charged, it means it has extra electrons, so it gains electrons. So it's option A. Question 25, what is the unit of electromotive force, EMF? It's volt. Okay, it's the same unit of potential difference. Okay, next. Question 26. They say the diagram shows a circuit containing two identical lamps and 3 emitters. Okay, let's check first before we read the question. So emitter 1 and 3 are connected in series with the batteries. Okay, ammeter 2 is only for this lamp. Okay, the current in ammeter 1 is 0.3. Here 0.3 ampere, which directly going to be the same as ammeter 3. Why? Because both of them connected in series with the battery, so they have the same current. So which row gives a possible value for the currents in 2 and 3? Okay, so in ammeter 3, it's directly either B or D. So options C and A are wrong. Okay, let's check ammeter 2. Okay, I'm gonna change the color here. Okay, remember the current leaves the positive part or the positive terminal of the battery. It comes here, and at this junction here it will split into two parts, and here they are going to be identical. Why identical? Because they say I have identical lamps, which means the 0.3 ampere here is going to be 0.15 and 0.15. Okay, why? Because the two lamps are identical. Okay, so which option is that? It is option B. Okay. Question 27. Into which wire is a switch connected in order to switch a main appliance on and off safely? Well, actually, we all know it is connected to the live wire, right? I hope you know that. Which device uses the magnetic effect of an electric current? Is it a heater? No. Is it a lamp? No. Is it a relay? Yeah. Is it a thermistor? No. It's option C, a relay. Question 29. A transformer has 200 turns on its primary coil. So this is NP. And is connected to a 240 volt AC supply. This is VP, V primary. Okay, the output voltage of the transformer is 60, which is Vs. They want how many turns on the secondary? They need Ns. Okay, let's write the formula. Vp over Vs equals Np over Ns. Okay, what do they want? They want Ns. Cross multiple and fix the equation is going to be Vs multiple Np over Vp, right? Vs I have it 60, Np I have it 200, and Vp I have it 240. I did it already and I got option B, which is 50. Feel free to use your calculators and check the answer. The last question in this video, which statement about an atom is correct? We'll change the color. Okay. An atom has a positive charge because there are only positive charge in the nucleus. No, actually it's not charged. The atom is neutral, so it's not positive, and also it's not negative. So option A and B are wrong. Okay. Option C. An atom has neutral charge. Yes, correct, because the positive charge in the nucleus, okay, equals to the total negative charges of the electrons. Yeah, this is possible. Most likely it's C. Let's check option D. An atom has neutral charge. Yes, because the negative charge in the nucleus, no. In the nucleus we have positive charge, right? Remember, inside the nucleus here I have protons, okay, and I have neutrons also, right? And around it I have electrons on the orbits, right? So this is electron, negative, and inside I have positive protons and neutral neutrons. So in the nucleus always positive. Okay, I hope it's clear. So this is part 3 of this paper. Please feel free to ask any question under the video. If you have any doubt, you can always ask or repeat the question many times. Okay. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.